So we've had a hot few days last week, and it destroyed the hostas. It was over 100 degrees for a couple of weeks. Right now the temperatures are in the 80s. Anyway, I'm going to show you what I usually do around this time of year with my hostas. I call it giving the hostas a second season. If you want to go from this look right here, which I don't like, where I call it sunburnt, where they're just look really saggy and shaggy and any other words you could think of. But if you want to go from that to them looking nice and green like they did in the spring, so they could finish out the year, because around here the first frost is around October the 20th or so. So you still have 2.5 months, and you don't want them to look like that. At least I don't. So this is what I do to do it. This is what I do to do it. This is what I do. I did this one a couple of days ago. I just cut them all the way back as low as I can, maybe about 1.5 inches up or so. And then you start to get new growth coming up. This growth was already started. This was a variegated, as you can see. But anyway, just give it plenty of water. A good soaking once a day, and then she'll start to sprout here pretty soon. And another 3 weeks, she'll look like a brand new hosta, all bright and green, with no sunburnt leaves. Did this one too. Sometimes when you look in the middle, like this one, you can see some new growth already coming. So that's what's going to happen. All around here, she's going to be sprouting up. And most likely she'll be, there's another one. She'll be doing some more flowers too. So while everybody else is in the neighborhood look like this, mine will look nice and fresh. So I'm going to get this one and that one tomorrow. You don't have to do it all at once. Anyway, it's your garden. Do what you want. Plants are very resilient. A lot of times they'll come back looking stronger and better. Anyway, thank y'all. Have a good day, and that's what you do to get your hostas to have a second season. Bye.